In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy or transfer Ethereum using Trust Wallet. So, let's get started. First, open your Trust Wallet app. Once you're in, you'll immediately notice the various features Trust Wallet has to offer, like sending, swapping, funding, and selling options. You'll also see your tokens displayed on the home page. To kick things off with buying Ethereum, look for Ethereum on your token list. Now, if you don't see it right away, don't worry. There's a search icon, typically at the top of your screen, which you can tap to help you locate Ethereum quickly. Once you've spotted Ethereum, click on it and you'll be presented with several options, such as send, receive, buy, swap, and sell. For our purpose today, go ahead and click on the buy option. This action will redirect you to an external site, and this is where you can proceed with your purchase. Input the amount of Ethereum you wish to buy. You will also have a choice of payment methods. You'll need to select the appropriate network and enter your card details. Just follow the on-screen prompts carefully. Keep in mind, depending on your location, different networks or payment methods may influence transaction fees and times. It's always a good idea to double-check the details before proceeding with the purchase. Now, moving on to transferring Ethereum. If you wish to transfer Ethereum, you'll first need to copy your Ethereum address. In the Trust Wallet app, click on the Receive button. This will present you with a unique QR code and, just below it, your Ethereum address. Simply tap the address to copy it to your clipboard. With your Ethereum address copied, you can now navigate to another crypto exchange, like Binance or Coinbase, or any exchange where you currently have Ethereum. There, paste the address you've copied into the recipient field when you're executing a transfer or withdrawal. This ensures that the Ethereum you send from the other platform will arrive safely in your Trust Wallet. So, in summary, this video walked you through how to both buy and transfer Ethereum using the Trust Wallet app. It's crucial to be careful and precise, especially when copying and pasting your Ethereum address to avoid any mishaps with your transfers. Always verify details at every step to ensure a smooth transaction. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this walkthrough clear and helpful. If you did, feel free to hit the like button and subscribe for more instructional content. Happy trading and see you next time.